Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about trigonometry where identities are used. So we will discuss the formula of the identities, and we will solve some questions over the identities. So we will discuss about trigonometric identities. So we are taking up a right angle triangle. Say this is A, this is B, and this is C. Say for this angle is theta, and this is base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. So in this case we can see that sine theta is equal to P upon H, and cos theta is equal to B upon H. We know that H square is equal to how much? B square plus P square. So in this case what we are going to do, simply sine square theta plus cos square theta. So we are putting the value of sine square theta from here. So this is P square upon H square plus B square upon H square. So what we can see is P square plus B square upon H square. As you know that P square plus B square is equal to H square. So H squares get cancelled. So sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 for all the values of theta which can take all real number. So this is the one identity which you have to remember while solving the questions. Now we'll discuss sec square theta minus tan square theta. So you can see sec theta is nothing but in this case that is H upon B whole square minus tan theta, it means P upon B whole square. So you can see that it is H square minus P square upon B square. So what we can see that H square minus B square P square is going to be equal to B square upon B square. This gets cancelled, so this is equal to 1. So we can see that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the another identity which you have to remember while solving the questions. Similarly, we'll discuss cosec square theta minus cot square theta. So you can see what is cosec square theta, that is H square upon P square, minus cot theta, that is B square upon P square. So it is H square minus B square upon P square. So this is equal to P square upon P square, that is equal to 1. So this is the third identity which you have to remember while solving the questions. So we can write this as cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So this is the third identity. So these three identities you must have on your tips, then only you can solve the questions of trigonometry. Remember, without formula you cannot solve the problems of trigonometry. So it's very vital for remembering all the formulas of trigonometrical ratios and identities. Now we are going to solve some questions based on these trigonometrical identities which you require. So now the question number 1 we are going to discuss about it. Say for 1 upon 1 plus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 minus sine theta, this is equal to 2 sec square theta. This we have to prove that. Then how to prove it? For this we are going to take the left hand side. So we are taking left hand side. that is equal to 1 upon 1 plus sine theta plus 1 upon 1 minus sine theta. So we are taking just LCM. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta or 1 minus sine theta, and here it is 1 minus sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta. So sine theta gets cancelled. This is 2 upon 1 minus sine square theta. So we are using the identity. You know that we have just proved that sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sine square theta. So 1 minus sine square theta can be replaced here by 2 cos square theta, which is ultimately twice of sec square theta. So you can see how we are using the identity formula to solve these type of questions. Now we are moving to next question. Prove that 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta is equal to 1. Now solution. 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. So this is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and this is 1 minus sine square theta. So we are using identity here. This will be equal to sec square theta, and this will be equal to cos square theta. So this is nothing but 1 upon cos square theta into cos square theta. These two gets cancelled, so answer is 1. So now you can see how we are using the formula of identities formula to solve these type of questions. Now we are moving to next question. Say for prove that tan theta plus sine theta divided by tan theta minus sine theta is equal to sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. This we have to prove. So now we are going to solve this. We are taking left hand side here. This is tan theta plus sine theta upon tan theta minus sine theta. Now we are taking converting tan theta into sine theta plus cos theta plus sine theta upon sine theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. Now we are taking sine theta common from the numerator. So 1 upon cos theta plus 1 upon, also taking common from denominator, 1 upon cos theta minus 1. So sine theta gets cancelled. So this is nothing but sec theta plus 1 upon sec theta minus 1. So you can see that we have just proved. So we are using this formula, identities we are using. Now question number 4th. Prove that square root of 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta, which is equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So solution is, just see, 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus sine theta. We are rationalizing we are going to rationalize by this. So this will be equal to 1 minus sine theta whole square, and this will be equal to 1 minus sine square theta, which is equal to 1 minus sine theta whole square upon cos square theta. So this is equal to 1 minus sine theta upon cos theta. So you can see that 1 upon cos theta minus sine theta upon cos theta. So this is equal to sec theta minus tan theta, which is the right hand side. Now we are moving to next question. Prove that sine theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square, this is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. This is basically cos theta. Now we are going to solve. We are taking left hand side. Say for this is a sine theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square. So this is equal to sine square theta plus cosec square theta plus twice of sine theta cosec theta plus cos square theta plus sec square theta plus 2 cos theta sec theta. You know that sec theta cos theta gets cancelled, cosec theta sin theta will get cancelled, and this will become 1. So this is 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to 5 plus sec square theta plus cosec square theta. So this is equal to 5 plus 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus cot square theta, which is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta, which is the right hand side. So hence proved. So it's a very good question, and you have to solve this question using the trigonometrical identities. Now we are moving to next question. It's a very important question. Prove that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now we are going to solve this question. The solution is, we are writing tan theta plus sec theta, and 1 can be written as 1 can be written as sec square theta minus tan square theta whole divided by, denominator will remain as it is, no change in the denominator. So what we can write is tan theta plus sec theta minus, we can factorize it here, sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So we are taking common tan theta plus sec theta. So what we see, 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta whole divided by tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. So this and this gets cancelled. So this is equal to tan theta plus sec theta. So it is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta, which is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, which is the right hand side. So in this case we have solved this question, and this is a very important question, so you must know the formula. Now we are moving to next question. Prove that cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1, that is equal to 1 plus cos A upon sin. So now we are going to start the solution. See, cot A plus cosec A, and 1 can be written as cosec square A minus cot square A, and denominator will remain same, cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now it is cot A plus cosec A minus, we are just factorizing it, cosec A plus cot A, cosec A minus cot A, whole thing is going to be divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now we are taking common cot A plus cosec A. So 1 minus cosec A plus cot A whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. This gets cancelled. So it is a cot A plus cosec A. Cot A means cos A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A. So it is equal to 1 plus cos A upon sin. So we have seen how we are utilizing the identity to solve such kind of questions. We are moving to next question. Prove that tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A, that is equal to 1 plus tan A plus cot A. Now solution is tan a. We are converting cot in terms of tan a. Here it is 1 upon tan a, 1 minus tan a. So it is tan square a upon tan a minus 1. It is minus 1, 1 upon tan a. Here we are adding tan a minus 1. Earlier it was 1 minus. That is why minus we have taken common. Now we are taking LCM. So tan a minus 1. So this will be equal to tan cube a minus 1. 1 means 1 power 3. So it is tan a minus 1 tan square a plus tan a plus 1 whole divided by tan a minus 1. This and this gets cancelled. So what we can do is now tan square a upon tan a upon tan a plus 1 upon tan a. So 1 tan a cancel, and this gets cancelled. So it is tan a plus 1 plus cot a. So we have just proved tan a plus cot a plus 1, which is the right hand side. So you have seen how we are using identities to solve this kind of questions.